Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Proposal by the Prime Minister to the DG of the FAO to establish an international seed bank.
Mueller hands over first prime Masa plant in India.
Fact check: global fed aquaculture produces 3 to 4 times as much fish as it consumes.
Special year with special projects.
March 20th is World Flower Day.
Grandson long feature on various aspects of a modern poultry processing plant.
Many products made in Bagra are meeting the demand of the country, and exporting abroad is earning crores of TK.
Celebrating modern agriculture and wheat foods, from farm to flour.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
XAMC 2022 Australia, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Space 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.